Okay, here we have for sale on eBay. It's the New Home 648 sewing machine. Superb machine. So it's very strong. It's all been fully serviced. So it's all cleaned, lubricated. The motor's been cleaned, oiled, the bearings and the commutator refreshed. To make a note that the plastic parts do have some yellowing, which is normal with age, but it does have to be mentioned, I guess. And the extension bed has a slight warp in it there where it's raised. You don't notice that when you're sewing. It's just, again, it's got to be mentioned. So I'll leave you to it. Have a look around it. See how it sews.